Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by saving your input history so nothing critical is lost. Backup words and clipboard to cloud or a file. Next, force stop the keyboard app and clear its cache. This removes temporary corruption while preserving learned words. Once done, enable any developer or accessibility logging on your device. This helps you identify recurring crashes or input freezes. Do these steps now. They shorten troubleshooting and let you isolate whether the issue is app level or system level before deeper resets. You should now remove the problematic keyboard layer, uninstall updates for the stock keyboard, or fully remove the third-party app. Then install a fresh, verified keyboard from the official store and immediately set it as the default input method so the OS routes input cleanly. After installation, import your backup settings and re-enable permissions like microphone or full access. This restores shortcuts and predictions. Make sure to test typing in multiple apps to confirm reliable behavior and consistent latency improvements. Finish by restarting your device to clear residual processes and then test typing speed, autocorrect accuracy, and gesture inputs across different apps. If problems persist, wipe the keyboard app data to remove corrupt learned entries or install pending OS updates to fix system-level bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is interfering. If the keyboard works there, uninstall recent apps until you find the culprit. Make sure to retest after each change so you know what fixed it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.